friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different and it involves my daughter, Suju. If you didn't know, she hates being held, so I'm surprised it lasted that long. Today we're going to be doing a review. Well, actually I'm not going to be doing it. Suju is going to be doing the review today. I've been seeing videos on dog subscription boxes and cat subscription boxes, so my little girl is actually super spoiled, so I got a subscription box just for her, and she's gonna let all the other kitties out there know, is it worth it or not. So,
She loves me more.
I bought this subscription from kitnipbox.com. This is specifically for cats, and they have an option for people who have just one cat and people who have more than 2 cats. So I got the box that's just for one kitty for her. Are you interested, Mama? It's really hard to get her attention. She's like really independent. But today we will see if she likes what's inside this box. They'll give you toys and they also give treats. So let's see if she likes anything in here because my daughter is super picky.
Like you.
Yeah. If you want to see her review this box, just keep on watching. Look, Mama. So I zoomed into the box because I want a closer look at everything. Look. Look what's in here. Oh. So it comes with like this little card. It says, we hope you enjoy your rock and roll themed kitnip box. Okay, so each box has a different theme. I ordered this in March, so I guess this is the March theme. Alright, let's see what's inside the box. It's actually wrapped. So let's see what we have inside. So look, she has like a little microphone toy in here. And it's got catnip in it. Oh, I think she likes it. Come on. She's never actually been exposed to catnip before, so do you like it, Mama?
It's ready to see a cat on drugs.
Like it, Mama? I think she's intrigued with this one because of the catnip. Alright, what else does she get? Keyboard toy? It feels like it has catnip in here too. Julius, don't kill me. I can put these out here so she can like see. Ooh, she loves toys like balls and like the little sound like that. She loves these toys. Look, what she's coming for. I think my little girl's camera shy. Then she got this little cute treat down here. Chicken and cranberry recipe. That sounds weird.
Thanksgiving up in here.
So little treats, we'll see if she likes them. I think she's already falling in love with the little wand and ball toy. And then, what is this? Look, it says hiss on it instead of kiss. I don't think she's gonna like this one. Now, I know that she's going to enjoy the heck out of this one. And I know she's gonna like these with the catnip in them. I'm just gonna try to record her playing and see if she does fall in love with any of these toys. Off topic, do you guys ever buy anything off of Wish? Because I do, like I buy like knickknacks and things. And I saw this item that I knew it was too good to be true. It was like a faux fur rug that was like $2 or $3 that I paid for. I was so excited to buy it, and this is what came in the mail. It is super small, as you guys can see. So now I know why it was $3, and I do not recommend buying the faux rug. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys with Suju playing with this toy because these are her favorite kinds of toys. Anything attached to string and that has that little jingle sound, she is obsessed with these kinds of toys. Like, she can play with them for hours. We actually got her one from Pet Value, and she would play fetch with it and sometimes fall asleep with that toy. Like, she'd bring it into her cat bed and sleep with likes these treats. These are called...
She does that when she's curious.
These are wellness Kittles. Tasty, crunchy cat treats. And they're in the shape of hearts, stars, and flowers. It says real chicken, #1 ingredient, and 2 calories per treat. You won't be so slim, Suju. They look like little, oh, these are really tiny. Look at this. I wonder how many I'm supposed to give her. But like I said, my little girl is so spoiled. It don't matter. You like them, Mommy? You like them?
Yeah! This is Suju approved! And so is this toy with the little string on him.
I don't think she's very interested in these kinds of toys. One thing that I do have to say is that when you get this subscription box, there's no way to customize what you're getting. Like, for a fact, I know that Suju doesn't have interest in these kinds of toys. She likes more like balls or like the mice that you throw and they chase them, like the crinkle balls that are little, like foil. She likes toys like that. So I know that she's not interested in these, or she's gonna be playing with them. This is the winner today. This string and ball, rock and roll wand, and the wellness Kittles. So, do you recommend this box for other kitties, my love? Yes? No? Maybe so? I think that you guys should decide on your own, depending on your cat's personality, whether they'll like it or not. Obviously, there was some wins and some things that she's not going to pay attention to, but definitely check it out for yourselves. I think you guys would really like it. Suju, she's a different cat. She's very special, and she's kind of spoiled, so I think that's why she gravitates more to certain things rather than others. So that's the end of the review. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments area what you want me to do next, or if you have any recommendations for more kitty boxes for my daughter to review. If you want to see her more in my videos, I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Suju, is there anything you would like to tell my kitty family that watches you and watched your review? Oh, I should have. What would you like to say? Very inspiring. Oh, I think someone's talking.
Chinese food.
Chinese! So, this is my makeup chair. I was just about to do my makeup, and look who's chilling on it. It doesn't plan on moving. Right, Suju? Look at Mommy. What a good girl. My little Suju is. Yeah, she has like no intention of leaving.